Hey everyone, welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya, and today I'm going to be sharing a haul with you. It's my Subscribe to Save order from Young Living. If you're not familiar with Young Living, it is an essential oil company that also has really great natural supplements and cleaning products, makeup products, bath and body. They're more of a natural lifestyle company. So I'm going to share some of the things that I got in my subscription box for this month. How it works with Young Living for Subscribe to Save is it's very similar to Amazon, where you basically select what items you want to have delivered, and then you can have them delivered every 1, 2, or 3 months and not have to worry about going in and placing an order. So we're going to start off with home products. So the first product is the Thieves Fruit and Veggie Wash. This is a really great all-natural fruit and vegetable wash. If you didn't know, you really do need to be washing your fruits and vegetables. I used to just rinse them off with water, but then I decided to go ahead and give this Thieves one a try, and it is absolutely amazing the amount of dirt that comes off my produce. Even produce that is supposedly already washed or organic, there's just always tons of dirt in the bottom when I'm finished. So I would highly suggest this to use for washing your produce. It just takes a cap full, so this bottle lasts for months and months. This is my second time repurchasing it. My first bottle lasts me a year, so good value for your money. The next product is a newer one for Young Living. It is the Thieves Scrub. And for this one, it's for kitchens and bath. It's similar to like a Comet or something like that, just with natural ingredients. It does a great job just getting out stains and things like that. I used this on the bottom of my Instapot after I had scorched the bottom of it, and it took it right out. I barely had to scrub, so it was great. So another great product. All of the home products as far as cleaners are in the Thieves line, and Thieves is kind of a proprietary blend to Young Living. It's a really powerful mix of essential oils along with other natural ingredients, so great one to try if you're looking to have more of a low-tox lifestyle. Now we're going to move on to some supplements that I got. The first one is Ningxia Red. Now this is an antioxidant supplement. It would be similar to like an elderberry syrup or something like that, except for it has way more antioxidants in it. So great for helping get rid of, the free radicals that have accumulated in your body. It tastes good. I like to mix 2 ounces of it with my seltzer water every day. And just a really great way to get some extra antioxidants in. The next supplement I'm going to talk about is Sulfurzyme. Now this is basically Young Living's version of a hair, skin, and nail supplement. Really good for strengthening those things. It's also really great for your joints. It contains MSM in it along with the wolfberries. If you're not familiar with MSM, I highly recommend that you look it up. It has a lot of great health benefits, so this is also a good supplement to have. Now we're going to get into the oils that I ordered for this month, and typically my orders are more home and supplements, but this month I did actually order a lot of oils. I just happened to be out of a few of my essential ones all at the same time. So the first one is lemon. Lemon is basically the magic eraser of the essential oil world. Any sort of cleaning you want to do, you can do with lemon. It's great for getting like sticker residue off or scuff marks off floors, anything like that. Great to put in like an all-purpose cleaner. So I always like to have lemon on hand. Plus it smells great, and you can also like add a couple drops to your water or things like that as well. Next is Stress Away. I use this oil a lot. It has lime in it, vanilla, Copaiba, and a few other essential oils. It's really great for just kind of relaxing and calming you down. It's a kind of sweet and uplifting scent. I actually use this to spray in my mask before I'm at work because I do have to wear a mask all day, so this kind of helps, you know, just keep you a little bit calmer while you're having that on your face all day. I also like to put a roller filament on top, and then I just roll it up and down my arms anytime I'm starting to feel a little stressed out or anything like that. So great one to have on hand. Vanilla is a newer one to Young Living. Young Living's vanilla is a really high quality. It smells like a nice vanilla. It doesn't smell like any sort of synthetic vanilla that is kind of overcloying or anything like that. I got this in because I love lavender, cedarwood, and vanilla together for a room spray for my pillows at night and to put my diffuser. And also vanilla is great for all the fall and Christmas diffuser blends, so I wanted to make sure I had that on hand. Another favorite of mine is Northern Lights Black Spruce. This one is a really grounding kind of oil, so it's great for sleep support or just when you need to focus, anything like that. It is also great for all the Christmas holiday blends, so needed to get it in on hand for that. I like to put this oil with orange and diffuse it at night before bed. It's a really great combination. It's also, you can do that one during the day too. As I said, it just helps with grounding you, calming you down, and letting you focus. And if you're interested in using essential oils but you don't really know how to get started with them, I do have a free online course that you can watch. I'll have it linked down in the description box, and it goes over what essential oils are, the different ways you can use them, what my top essential oils and essential oil blends are, and how you can get essential oils into your home at the best price. And as I said, that's a free course. It's called Essential Oil Basics, and I'll have it linked down in the description box. Now, the other great thing about Young Living, they really give back to their customers in a couple of different ways. One is if you have an item on Subscribe to Save, or if once a year you have a 100 PV order, then you're eligible to get a 24% discount off of your orders. The other great thing is they have the Loyalty Rewards program, which is the one that I do Subscribe to Save with. And because I order every month, I'm also getting cash back on my orders that I can use for future purchases. Then they also have a free gift with purchase program, and I'm going to show you everything I got on that for September. This is a great month for their free gifts. There's a ton of them, and there's a bunch of different varieties. So we're going to go ahead and start with the oils that I got for free this month. Now the oils are all from the Vitality line, and what the Vitality line is they'll have the white labels on it, and that is the way that we distinguish oils that are safe for internal use. So if it has the white label on it and says Vitality, then you know that it is one that can be taken internally. So that's just more of a safety feature, so you can easily distinguish if you can take the oil internally. And I actually received 7 oils for free this month. As I said, it was a great one for the free gifts with purchase. The first one is Endoflex. Now this one is used for hormone support as well as thyroid support. You can either put it in a roller or you can take it internally. I've never diffused this one. When I'm using it, it's either through a roller bottle or through a veggie capsule, but really great for that hormone support, and as I said, great for your thyroid as well. The next one is Citrus Fresh, and Citrus Fresh is a blend of lemon and orange, tangerine, and spearmint, so really nice citrus scent with that touch of mint. It's super uplifting, so great to diffuse. It tastes great to put a drop or two in your water, just, you know, to give your water some flavor. I also really like to use it in my homemade scent boosters or put it on my dryer balls just to give them a little scent. Then we have Copaiba. Copaiba is a tree oil, so it has that nice earthy smell. So any of the tree oils typically are pretty good for making you feel calmer and grounding. Copaiba is also good for anti-inflammatory purposes. So say you went to the dentist and your gums are sore, you could put a drop or two on your gums and it'll help take some of that inflammation out. Longevity is actually a new one to me. It has a few different oils in it, such as thyme, orange, clove, frankincense. It's a really good blend for just helping keeping you moving as you age. So it's great for joint health and immune support, just an overall great oil to use as you're getting older. The next one I got for free was lemon. So it's just like the other lemon I got. This one just has the vitality label on it so that you know it's safe for internal use. Works the exact same as the one with the yellow label that I already showed you. This is just to make it a little easier for you to know it's safe to use internally. The next oil that I received for free was Digize. Digize is all about digestive support, if you can't tell from the name. This one is not one that you're probably going to diffuse. It does have a really strong smell because of the ginger in it, and there's fennel, just really strong smelling herby oils. But what it's great for is if your stomach's a little out of whack, you have some indigestion or bloating, just take a couple drops and dilute it with some coconut oil and rub it right on your belly. You can also put 1 or 2 drops in a veggie capsule and take it that way. If you're really in desperate need of relief and you don't have the veggie capsule, you can put a drop under your tongue, but you are probably not going to enjoy the taste. So I usually do with the coconut oil and just dilute a couple drops, or I put it in a veggie capsule. But it's a must-have if you're traveling, or if you know you're going to eat some things maybe you shouldn't eat and your stomach's going to be upset. This is a good one to have in your purse. And the final oil that I got for free this month is orange. Orange is a super uplifting oil. I love to diffuse it. I love to mix it with the Northern Lights Black Spruce, like I said before. It's just such a great oil for picking your spirit up. It's also great for cleaning. Not as strong as lemon, I would say, but still a great one to have for cleaning. You can also put a couple drops in your water just to add some flavor. You can do that with most of the citrus oils, but another great one to have on hand. And I use a ton of orange in my fall and holiday diffuser blends, so I was happy to get it for free. Now, the next things that I received for free this month are the Young Living Vitality Drops, and I've actually never tried these before. They're basically like, the little flavoring you can get and squirt into your water, but healthier versions of that. So it is electrolytes and essential oils, and it is lavender and lemon, which I think will be a really great combination. I've had lavender and lemon cookies before, but I've never had it in my water, so I think this will be great to try. And then grapefruit, which grapefruit has a lot of benefits on its own, so good to have a little squirt of this in your water. It's great for, helping with weight management and things like that, so I'm very interested to try these. The next freebie was the Life9 Probiotic. Now this is like my ride or die from Young Living. It is one of the reasons I signed up for Young Living. First was the essential oils. Next was Life9 as a probiotic. I have a lot of stomach issues, and this really has been life-changing for me as far as probiotics go. So I highly recommend it if you deal with any issues like that. I had tried, eating yogurt and other probiotics, but did not have as much luck. This has over 17 billion live cultures in it, and they do that because you lose some of those cultures while it's being digested to like stomach acids and things. So because there's so many strands in here, it gives you a better chance of having more of them actually make it into your digestive system. So highly recommend this one. I order it every month. I have one on hand as a backup. It's a great probiotic, and it's affordably priced too. Probiotics can range a great deal in their price, but this is my favorite one. And that was all of the free gifts with purchase for the month. And then occasionally Young Living just throws in a random other freebie. What they sent me this month was the Seedlings Diaper Cream. Now, I don't really need a diaper cream. I'm a little bit past the age where I'm going to be having babies or, you know, little ones running around the house. But this is also great for if you have like any sort of skin irritation. So if you have a bug bite or something like that, this diaper cream actually works really well on it. It's the Seedlings essential oil line in there, which is just a really calming essential oil blend. So it's great for babies' bottoms, and it's great for bug bites and things like that for those of us who are not babies. And that is everything I got this month. If you're interested in trying any of these products for yourself, I'll have a link down in the description box. Young Living has actually made it now where you don't have to purchase a starter kit or anything like that like you used to. You can just purchase whatever you want. If the only thing you wanted to try was the probiotic, you could simply order that. So I'll have a link down below in case anyone wants to give anything a try. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!